How to change the behavior of unique true in Django model. Here I am not deleting the model objects from database. I am just changing the is_deleted status to true while delete. But while doing this, unique equals true gives error for the deleted objects, so how can I handle this? I want to exclude is_deleted equals true objects from unique true.
You can use a unique constraint, Django Dvoks, with a condition instead of the unique org on the field. Although there is a caveat that validation, by forms etc., will not be done automatically for a unique constraint with a condition, and you will need to do that yourself. Note: since Django 4.1 validation is automatically performed for all constraints using the model.validate_constraints method, and hence the above mentioned caveat doesn't apply.
Since Django 2.2, you can work with Django's constraint API. You can then specify a unique constraint, Django Doc, that has a condition. It is of course the database that enforces this, and thus some databases might not have implemented that feature.
You may use following also.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.